Imagine a world where every moment is clouded by vision loss. For many in Canada, eye diseases like optic nerve atrophy, retinitis pigmentosa, and glaucoma disrupt daily life. At Stem Cell Care India, we bring advanced stem cell therapies to restore vision and improve quality of life. Stem cells are a medical breakthrough with the ability to repair and regenerate damaged tissues. And at Stem Cell Care India, we proudly offer advanced treatments for Canadian patients, specializing in conditions such as optic nerve atrophy, ONA, age-related macular degeneration, retinitis pigmentosa, optic nerve hypoplasia, optic neuropathy, eye injuries, retinopathy, glaucoma, retinal detachment, and septo-optic dysplasia. At Stem Cell Care India, we are committed to providing the best care for Canadian patients, ensuring your vision restoration journey is as seamless as possible. Stem cell therapy harnesses the body's natural ability to heal. By regenerating damaged cells, it offers a groundbreaking approach to reversing vision loss. With state-of-the-art facilities and internationally accredited treatments, Stem Cell Care India ensures every patient receives the highest standard of care. From consultation to recovery, we make your journey seamless. With personalized care plans, visa assistance, airport pickups, and expert guest relation officers, Stem Cell Care India is committed to supporting Canadian patients at every step of their healing journey. Your vision deserves the best care. Discover the transformative potential of stem cell therapy with Stem Cell Care India. Let us help you see the world clearly again.